Maybe you've heard someone say, I didn't find yoga, yoga found me. Well, in my case, yoga didn't only find me, but it kind of had to chase me down a few times before I started to fully embrace it in my life. My first experience with a yoga practice was in college. I ended up being really surprised by how much the class spoke to me, learning about the union between the body, breath, and mind, which I had never truly experienced before. It was always so separate for me. I didn't come back to yoga for 5 years, and when I did, it came through meditation. I've had a long history with depression and anxiety through external experiences like losing my dad when I was a teenager, to internal forces like extreme perfectionism and self-sabotage and even self-loathing. Yoga and meditation have taught me to trust that life's uncertainties are there to teach me and to help me along my way. Through my classes, I share inspiration and wisdom that have been given to me by my teachers and my life experiences in hopes that they will resonate with somebody else along the way. I believe that we all have a beautiful light within us, and I'm here to share my light with the world and encourage others to do the same. I'm Brittany Lynne, and I'm so excited to share practices with you on Inner Dimension TV.